This is this is a Laperche. I guess it's a Laperche rolls. I don't know. It's only got 5 pins instead of 6, but it's a French pump lock, and usually these pump locks are fairly tapered. But tensioner was bound in there funny, but I had to pick for a minute. Just didn't realize it. All right, let's see if I can get this thing gutted. That one was not too bad, tapered wise. Not as bad as some of these pump locks can be. on out of there. Why doesn't that want to come? All right, let's see all the sliders there. There's 5 of them. Whoop. So I'll start here and go clockwise. Make that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just for me, so I don't mix it up. Putting it back together. I have to come back and watch this video. There is false gates on these. I did not drop into a false set. I would say, judging by looking at these false gates, that if you get into a false set, it is going to be pretty tough to get it out. Well, I could have done with leaving that on. Oh well. Might as well just do the full gut for good measure. Whoops. Get off of there. So yeah, there's some pretty looks like it's master too. You got not really sure how this thing is supposed to work, honestly. Gate there, gate there. This is a much bigger gate. That's a much bigger gate. That looks like maybe a false section there. I'm not really sure how these sliders work, honestly. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these. So that doesn't look wide enough to be a gate. Maybe that's a gate and that's a gate. Appears to be mastered. And maybe those are false gates. Interesting. I don't know. Honestly, not sure how this thing works. See, that's a big gate right there. supposed to go. I don't remember how this came off now. I think this went on first, actually. Or maybe not. I don't remember what it did. I have to go back and watch the video to reassemble this thing, but that's, I guess, basically the idea. Lines up with that gate, or one of those gates appears to be mastered. I know it can't go like that. No, it doesn't go like that. So, well, whatever. I'll figure it out. I don't know. I'm done playing with this thing for now. I'm gonna end this video. Doubt anybody's still watching this anyway. Me fumbling around with this. All right, that's the Laperche rolls. 5 pin, I'm assuming.